To make a table in Canva, you want to open your document as I have mine opened on the editor. And once you have that open, you want to come to the element tab on the objects panel here and click on it. From the describe your ideal elements, you want to type in table. Under all, you will see all those beautiful tables. So there are different tables. These ones are customizable, while these ones are sheets. From here, you look at all this table. You can click on here to say see all table. It brings out all the table design there is. You can choose the one that works for you. Note each of them are all customizable. Say we pick up this table, so this should serve as the header. Here is the body. If you click these three dots, you can choose to add in more rows. If I click these three dots here, I can choose to size columns equally, so everything is equally sized. Let's go over here, let's click and come here. I can choose to add in, so you see I'm adding in column. These things are adding up, so I can expand my design like so and fill it out like so. You see the way I'm pulling, you see I can place it anywhere. You see this line, I'm using it to resize the size of each cell. You can also change the outlook of your table. If you click on here, you can change how your color appears. So let's see what the gradients color will look like. You see our color, this part we have selected just begins to change. To start typing, just double tap into each of the text, and when you paste your text, it's going to drop into that part. The font size of this text is 11, so it will turn out fine. If we go over to full screen preview, you can see that that text is not so small as we presume it was. So let's click out of this full screen mode. You can color each part how you want. If you want to use different color to grade. So with this, you already have a table. You can double tap into any cell and begin to edit each cell. Let's see if we can pull up this design too. Yeah, it's looking like color in the rainbow. Let's go to position and put it to the middle. So now that I have it all selected, let's now go to borders and let's give it a proper border. And let's choose the color of the border. We want the border color. I think I'm colorblind this night. Let's put that red there. I don't know what's wrong with my eyes. And let's give it a dotted and give it a bit of weight. You see the weight begins to show in the table. I beg, let me just put black. You can pretty much customize your table however you want it.